Tuipulotu, oh, have a seat. Sione Tuipulotu, rocking Chileans.
Overstating things to say that those two are one of the best midfield partnerships in world rugby. Certainly, look at that, Tuipulotu right on cue, just running around the defenders and through them. Sione Tuipulotu. Well, bear in mind with Glasgow, it's an all-international front row. Look at the carry there from Tuipulotu, made 2 or 3 metres there.
Two Glasgow Warriors, just over 2 minutes to get their first try. There's dart to Tuipulotu, right to the end of the half. Sione Tuipulotu. Tuipulotu. George Horn is actually still on and on the wing. Tuipulotu, what a charge this is from the centre. A little further, Macbeth now. Macbeth drives further. Horn has it. Tuipulotu! Put more pressure on the ball again. It's really impressive. Tuipulotu.
Dobie slings it out to Tuipulotu, who again shows that ability. Magnificent from Tuipulotu.
One try so far. Early one for Makazoni McKinsey. Just a metre or so short. Surely the try for Tuipulotu, who manages to wriggle over. And now Jordan to try and get the backs going. Tuipulotu with a step. Oh, and a bend. He's going. He doesn't need to be facing Zulu, who's gone off, and Jean-Luc Duplessis has replaced him, but it's Warriors on the attack. It's Sione Tuipulotu, gets the ball away, can't see it. Tuipulotu takes the step inside, somehow finds a gap. He needs some support. Well, maybe not. What a run from Sione Tuipulotu.
Tidy that up. Marcus Smith, now there's space out wide for the Lions. It's a big hit on Matthias Baroni.
Lovely timing on the pass to Wilson. Tuipulotu at pace with power. He's searching out the try line and he's going to find it. An individual score from Sione Tuipulotu. And just when Glasgow...
Former scrum half, he's not going to buy the fun that's out there, but the offload goes to Tuipulotu. Was it forwards in the meantime? Tuipulotu's not going to stop to find out. Over the line he goes. Cardiff success, right Scotland.
So that was dropped back. Tuipulotu steps inside. He sees space. Oh, Tuipulotu all alone. Now support comes from his centre partner McDowell. Time for Scotland to make them pay, you would think. Maybe now. Drive for the line, Tuipulotu. The miss out Carroll, Tuipulotu!
I don't think that was straight. Referee's happy, and it's his view that matters, and Tuipulotu has burst through more.
Tuipulotu, another little chip through to ask the question. Oh, that's magic from Tom Jordan to Sione Tuipulotu for the line. Now for Weir. Could be on for Hugh Jones. Well, he does find Tuipulotu. Breaks one tackle. Tuipulotu has options galore. And Cairo is the man.
Thought about the kick pass, but what a pass! Oh, what a pass! Tuipulotu with a Lions Test match try, a dreamlike moment, and it was a dreamy
McDowell, Jordan, Kyle Stain, and now Tuipulotu has made another break. This time releases Castellieri in space. He's got Cole Forbes outside him.
bench for Richie Gray. And that is a clear run for Scott Cummings. He's got Horn with him. And that's well taken this time by Mackay. Just plucked it out of the air. Captain Tuipulotu, what a try from the Warriors.
Here's Ollie Kebble, is it? His side are on the attack. It's Darge. Tuipulotu was lined up initially, but he escapes the tackle of Anscombe, and Tuipulotu will go under the post. That's the bonus point score. And might that just be the game save for the Glasgow Warriors?
There's Tuipulotu, very strong man.
Sione Tuipulotu straight at bend. He's got hold on his shoulder and he uses it. Tuipulotu steps three of them, hand off on the fourth, and here comes Stafford. Just Tuipulotu to carry, and he runs over the top of his man.
Isolated there, but the call goes to the visitors. Forbes with a little offload. Darge gets it back inside. It's quickly laid out to McLean. Back to Tuipulotu, and Tuipulotu skids his way over for the second try just before the half-hour mark. And some good attacking prowess, really, from Glasgow Warriors. Gets the second score.
Close to Lions selection. Sam Johnson low, Tuipulotu. Here's that 5'10", here's that 16, so 5 points. Oh, he got
at that point, but now Shawley's got to have the numbers. Stuart Hogg finds Tuipulotu, and eventually Scotland do break through.
Tuipulotu with a bit of space to spin and get the pass on, and Matt Ferguson will now go under the post.
In 9.
Glasgow have a high efficiency when it comes to getting into the red zone.